Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's teaching, I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you how to pad a bustier princess cut or princess blouse. As you can see, this is the one I've just finished. It's going to be a gown, but this is a half cut of it. So this is how flat from the bust point, how it is. It's very fine. Look at the underbust. The underbust is very flat. If you want to have this type of underbust that is not rumple like others do, just click on the video. I taught people how to cut it. Just watch out from the video the cutting of this fine blouse. See how flat it is. See how it is. So if you want to watch the cutting of this blouse, click on the link below. It will take you to the cutting of this blouse. So this is the front side, as I said. This is the inside of it. This is how it is. So what I'm going to show you now, first of all, I gum the blouse. This interfacing that I use, softer than this one. I use it to gum the blouse first of all. Then after gumming it round, and I use warden. This is warden. This is a soft warden. You can get it any fashion store, anywhere you are, you can get it. This is a warden. You have the soft type, you have the hard type. So I'm using the soft one. So this is how I pad it. I pad it the whole of the center of the blouse. I use it and pad the center of the blouse, and now come to the side of it. From the bust point, you measure the bust span of your client. You measure it. The bust span is 4.5. Here is 4 inches. I've already sewed a ½ inch inside. The length is 9. The width is from the bust point is 4 inches. So it's not static. It varies depending on the customer's body. You can start joining from the end, from the down here, straight to the armhole. If you want, you can as well start from the armhole. If you want to start from the armhole to join to the end, you must add some inches at the down, maybe like 2 inches down. If you want to take only the center, it's going to be very short. As you are sewing from here, it will stop here. It will not reach this place. Why my own is like this? Because I added 2 inches. I added 2 inches this way. That's why I'm saying that you should click on the link at the bottom part of it. It will take you to the video so that you can watch the cutting of this particular video, the cutting of this particular blouse. Watch this video. There's a link at the description box that will link you to this video. So watch. If you watch it, you'll be able to cut it well and you'll be able to sew it well. So this is my padded blouse, and this is how to pad a princess blouse, bustier blouse. This is how to pad it without giving you any problems. If you place it, this is how it is going to look like. See, the down is very flat. See, this side is very flat. It's very flat. So this is it. Please subscribe to my channel. I've already shown you how to do it. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment on the video. I need a comment So comment on it. There's a section where you can comment. Click on it and write your comment. So that's the end of our teaching today. Thank you so much for watching this video. So that anytime, subscribe to my channel. Anytime I'll post a new video, you will get it. You'll be the first person to get it. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.